Hello students, welcome back in my channel. Today's video is very important for plus 1 class students for tomorrow past test. We will discuss some MCQ of sets. So let's begin. First is the set A X is such that X belongs to R. X square is equal to 16 and 2x is equal to 6 equals. Now x square is equal to 16, that is x is equal to plus minus 4, and 2x is equal to 6 means x is equal to 3. Now and means common in these two, but there is nothing common in these two, so A option is right option, that is null set. Next, second question, the set A X is such that X belongs to R. X square is equal to 25 is. Now x square is equal to 25, that is x is equal to plus minus 5, that is minus 5 and plus 5, so C is right option. Next question 3, the set A is equal to U is such that U belongs to R. U square is equal to 49 and 2U is equal to 14. Now U square is equal to 49, that is U is equal to plus minus 7, and 2U is equal to 14, that is U is equal to 7. Now because and means intersection, that is common of these two, so 7 is common in these two sets, so right option is B. Next question, question number 4. The set A X is such that X is an odd number less than 10 equals, it's very simple, X is an odd number, so C is right option. Next, question number 5. The set A is equal to X is such that X is a prime and divisor of 6 is equal to X is prime and divisor of 6, that is D is right option, because 2 and 3 are both prime numbers as well as divisor of 6. Sixth question, the set A is equal to X is such that X is an integer and X lies between minus 3 to 2 is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So C is right option for this. Next, seventh question. Solution set of equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 in roster form is. This is also very simple question. Factorization by middle split, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0, that is x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3, that is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2, that is B is right option. Next question, solution set of equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 in roster form. This is also done by factorization by splitting middle term. So x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. Next question number 9. Solution set of equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in a roster form is. This is also done by cross multiplication. that is 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2, that is x is equal to minus 2 and plus 1. So A is right option. Now question number 10. The set A x is such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40 in roster form is. Now square of 6 is 36. So A is right option. Next, the power set of null set is a singleton set. Next question, which one of the following is correct? Now B is right option, that is phi is belongs to phi set. Next, third question, what is the number of proper subsets of a given finite set with n elements? Now for proper subsets, 2 raised to the power n minus 2. Next question, the number of subsets of the set A, B is. Now number of subsets is calculated by 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power 2, that is equal to 4. So B is right option. Question number 5. The number of subsets of the set 1, 2, 3. Now in this set there are 3 elements. So number of subsets is given by 2 raised to the power 3. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. Next question. The number of subsets of the set A, E, I, O, U is. There are 5 elements. So 2 raised to the power 5, that is 32. Next question. If A is equal to x is such that x is equal to 4n plus 1 is less than equal to n less than equal to 5, then number of subsets of A is. Now this set contains 4 elements, that is by putting n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5, we get 4 elements in this set. That is number of elements in power set, that is 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16. So A is right option. If A is equal to x is such that x is equal to n square, then number of proper subsets is. Because this set has 3 elements, by putting n is equal to 1, 2 and 3, we get 3 elements in this set. Now number of proper subsets is given by 2 raised to the power n minus 2, that is 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, which is further equal to 6. Next question number 9. If a set contains n elements, then number of elements in a power set are. This is equal to 2 raised to the power n. Next, that set x is such that x belongs to R and x lies between this interval. Now this interval is represented by 4 and 6, semi-open, semi-closed interval. That is D option is right option. Now next question. Finite sets, infinite sets, singleton set and null set. These questions related with these topics. First question. Which of the following set is a null set? Now because first and second are both null sets, so D option is right. Now question number second. If A is equal to this, then A is finite set. Third question. Singleton set contains dash number of elements, because singleton set contains only one element, so B is right option for this. Next question number 4. Which of the following two sets are equal? Now because C has equal number of elements 1, 2, 3, and in another set 2, 3 and 1, so C option is right option. Next question. The number of lines which are parallel to the x-axis is, now there are infinite number of lines which are parallel to x-axis, so this is infinite set. Next question number 6. Sets A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and set B is equal to x is such that x is a positive even integer and x is less than equal to 10 are, because x is a positive integer, even integer and less than equal to 10, that is x. B contains same elements as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 which are equal to A, that is A and B are equal and equivalent, so C option is right, both A and B. Next question number 7. The set of circles passing through the origin is, because there are infinite number of circles which are passing through origin, so this is infinite set. Next question number 8. Let A is equal to x and x lies between 1 and 2, then A contains dash elements. Because there is no any element which is natural number and at the same time it lies between 1 and 2, because there is no any natural number which lies between 1 and 2, so this set contains 0 elements. Next question. Let B is equal to x is such that x belongs to n and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then B is. Now as x belongs to n, now by 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 is not belongs to in natural numbers. Next question. The order of the set D, x is such that x belongs to z and x square is equal to 36, that is x is equal to plus minus 6, that is x has 2 elements, so order is equal to 2, so B is right option. Next questions. These questions are based on operations on sets. So first question is, if A is equal to 3, 6, 12 and B is equal to 3 and 6, then A union B. Now combine elements of A and B, that is 3, 6 and 12, which is equal to A, so A is right option. Next question number B. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then A intersection B is, that is common of A and B. So common of A and B is 1, 3 and 5. So answer is none of these. Next question number 3. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So A is right option. Next question number 4. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is. If A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to set B, because largest set is equal to union. So B is right option. Next question number 5. If A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is. Now intersection contains smallest set, so answer is A, so B is right option. Next question number 6. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection A union B is. Now intersection of A union B and A is equal to A, so C is right option. Next question number 7. If A and B are two sets, then B intersection A union B is. Now in intersection small set is there, so B is right option. Next question number 8. If A is any set, then A is a subset of A is always true, because every set is subset of itself, so this is always true. Next question number 9. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and C is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, then A intersection B union C is. First of all, find out B union C, which is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now take intersection with this set, we get 4 and 5, so B is right option. Next question, question number 10. The union of set of rational numbers and irrational numbers, which is equal to real numbers, so B is right option. Now we will solve some examples based on Venn diagrams and practical problems on sets. So first is, if sets A and B are disjoint, then number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B, so D is right option. Now second question, if number of elements of A is equal to 100 and number of elements of B is equal to 50, then maximum number of elements in A intersection B is 50, because number of elements of A intersection B is equal to minimum of number of elements of A and number of elements of B, and minimum from number of elements of A and B is 50, so 50 is right answer. Next question, if number of elements of U, that is number of elements in universal set, is equal to 600 and number of elements of A is equal to 150 and number of elements of B is 225 and number of elements of A intersection B is equal to 100, then number of elements of A complement intersection B complement is equal to. Now to find out number of elements of A complement intersection B complement is equal to number of elements of U minus number of elements of A union B. Now first of all, find out number of elements of A union B by using formula. Number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B, that is 150 plus 225 minus 100, which is further equal to 150 plus 125, 5, 7, 275. Now to find out this, number of elements in universal set is 600 minus 275, so 600 minus 275 is equal to 325. Now we will solve some MCQ of linear inequalities. So first is, graph of the system of inequations x is greater than equal to 0 and y is less than equal to 0 is, that is x is positive and y is negative, in which quadrant? Because x is positive and y is negative in fourth quadrant, so answer is fourth quadrant. Next, second question. If x square is equal to minus 4, then the value of x is, because x square is equal to minus 4, but square of any number is not negative, so there is no any solution for this, so D is right option. Next question number 3. Solve x plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now these two terms are separately equal to 0. X plus 1 square is equal to 0 and x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, we get x is equal to minus 1 from first equation and x is equal to minus 1 and minus 2 from second equation. Now x is equal to minus 1 is common in both, so B is right option. Okay students, now you can revise these questions for tomorrow past test, and if you want some more questions of linear inequalities, then ask me in comment section. Thank you.